Looking at CAT 2019 paper, slot 1, fifth set. Try to solve on your own before you look at the solution. I'll anyway glance through the questions. So, yeah. So we start with the data first. What is given to you? The Ministry of Home Affairs is analyzing crimes committed by foreigners in different states and union territories. All cases refer to the ones registered against foreigners in 2016. The number of cases classified into three categories: IPC, SLL, and other crimes. For the 9 states figured below, these 9 belong to top 10 states in terms of total number of cases registered. The remaining is West Bengal, where all 522 are SLL crimes. West Bengal will be maximum. The table below shows the rank of the 10 states among all state India in terms of number of cases registered. So this is the number of ranks for the number of cases registered. A state given rank R for a category of crimes if there are minus states having larger number of cases registered in the category of crimes. So if two states have the same number, then exactly in a case and exactly three other states have larger number, then both will be ranked number 4. Right. So missing ranks are denoted by data. So let's start with the first question. What is the rank of Kerala in IPC crimes? So if you look at Kerala, IPC is the first one. It has to be less than Maharashtra. Maharashtra is more. What is Maharashtra? Rank 3 if you look at. Maharashtra and Karnataka both are rank 3. So it means it should be below that. And it should be definitely more than Telangana. If you look at Telangana's rank is 6. So automatically we can make out that Kerala will be 5 because there are 3 people above Karnataka and Maharashtra. Above Kerala, there are those 3 people plus Karnataka and Maharashtra will be above Kerala. So automatically it has to be 5th rank. Okay. 3 people who are above Karnataka and Maharashtra, and Karnataka Maharashtra will be above Kerala. So automatically 5. So you'll get the rank as 5. 2 above Karnataka and Maharashtra, and these 2 put together. So Kerala will become automatically the 5th rank. If I look at 2 states where the highest total number of cases are registered, the ratio of total number of cases of IPC crimes to the total SLL crimes. Now, highest are what? We know West Bengal is the highest because all 520 cases are, and Delhi is the highest. So, if you combine IPC crimes in the two, there is no IPC crimes in West Bengal. So, total becomes around 63 approximately. SLL crimes, if you look at combine the two, 520 in Bengal, and this is approximately 35, so around 555. So you can make out from the option it has to be 1:9. Very high number of SLL crimes as compared to IPC. Now all the other options have balanced scores. Only D option is very high SLL. Makes sense. Here it's very important that you take West Bengal. There's a chance that you may miss out West Bengal purely because not given a table. So be careful about simple mistakes that students do commit. Which of the following is definitely true about the ranks of other crimes category? So if you look at other, there is no West Bengal in other category. So you can make out that maximum is Delhi for sure. How much is Delhi? 10, 20, 30, 40, something around 40 plus. Tamil Nadu, if you look at it, is 10, 20, 30 and 30 plus, so approximately 30 plus. So you can make out even Pondicherry, 10, 20, 30 is 30, little less than 30 or maybe around 30. So others are small. So automatically you can make out that Tamil Nadu will be second with 30 plus and Pondicherry will be third with 30. The second and third both are true. So A and B, 1 and A answer. Right? You can directly make out that 40 plus Delhi is the maximum. So second and third will be Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. So you'll automatically get the answer both 1 and 2. What is the sum of the ranks of Delhi in the 3 categories of crime? So no West Bengal in IPC, and you can make out clearly IPC, Delhi will be 1. So 1 rank. Other crimes also we know that Delhi will be 1. We look at SLL crimes. SLL Bengal is obviously 1, first rank. You can make out that even Karnataka is higher than Delhi. So Karnataka will be 2 rank. Yes, it's given 2. Now which are the close ones? You see Maharashtra is close around 30 plus. Goa is close around 30 plus. And Delhi also around 30 plus. All these here 30 plus. Rest are small. Tamil Nadu is around 20 plus. So we can make out rest are small. Only these 3 are 30 plus. So then Maharashtra, Goa and Delhi. Let's look at rank. Goa is ranked fourth and Maharashtra is ranked fourth. What does fourth means? There are three people above Goa and Maharashtra. Three states above Goa and Maharashtra. One is West Bengal, second is Karnataka. So third has to be Delhi. So Delhi has to be ranked three. Okay, because Goa is fourth and Maharashtra is fourth, which means there are three states above Goa and Maharashtra. One and two we know Bengal and Karnataka. So automatically third has to be Delhi. There's no other state. So automatically we can make out that Delhi total will be 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is 5. Remember, no other states can be more than 30 because Telangana is the 10th highest, has a total crime of less than 30. All the other states will have crime less than this value. So no other state is possible which can cross Delhi. Outside this 10 also there is no one else which can cross Delhi because maximum crime they can have is around 25, not more than that. So from that we can make out that Delhi will have third rank, so overall fifth rank. It is same for the previous questions also that we solved. I mean, if you look at it, no one else can be out here. No one else can be more than Puducherry and Tamil Nadu because all other states will have less than 30 crimes. So that means automatically Tamil Nadu and Puducherry has to be second and third, right? So not difficult set. If you just understand what is given and don't miss out West Bengal, it is comparatively easy to get the answers. Just have patience and try to solve it. These threads should be solved faster so you can focus on the other sets. Thank you.